Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this tutorial we are going to look up at another option under object menu, which is live paint. What is live paint? If I draw something and if I want to make some more copies out of that so we have more copies, so we require to use the live paint here. So I'm going to select everything. We're going to find this live paint here. So we have this live paint selection tool, and also we have this live paint bucket. So I'm going to click at that, select my color. So here I can fill it with any color. I can change that to something like this. So this is called the live paint color under Adobe Illustrator. So now, as you can see, if you watch closely, the anchors here on the top is changed to this live paint bucket. Now you have to click that expand to expand that. So now if you just go to the object under live paint, so you have this release and you have this make. So I can click on the release, so everything is released. So now if I want to make this back to this live paint bucket again, so I just need to go to this object menu, live paint, and here I can click on this make, or you can go with the shortcut, which is Alt plus Control plus X. So I'm going to click at that. So now as you can see here, this the shapes is now converted, and I can just click on expand, or here you can just click expand as well. So now I can use this live paint bucket to fill it with any color. And also here we have another option which is called merge. So merge is something that you can make a member of live paint bucket tool. So we are going to make some more copies here. Let me increase the stroke size. So we're going to select only these two shapes, this rectangle shapes. Now I just need to go to this live paint and click on make. So now it's converted, but this one is not a live paint bucket tool here. So I'm going to select everything. I can make it a member of this live paint. So I'm going to select everything, go to our object here on this live paint. Here we have this merge, so I'm going to click at that. So now as you can see, this guy over here is member of these two, which is already a member of live paint bucket. And also we have another option which is gap option. I can click on expand as well. I can expand it. So we have the gap. What is gap? So if I want to draw any shape, any rectangle shape, so we have the gap over here, as you can see. Now if I just go to the object, not only for this shape, for any kind of shape, it's going to fulfill this desire of filling color for the gap, which is this gap for this shape. So now I just go to this live paint and click on gap option. So as you can see, no gap detection. Why is that? Because you have to convert or make it to a live paint. So now we have a live paint. Now I can go to this gap option. So still, as you can see, no gap option is showing me here. Why is that? Because here we have to just go with the large gap option, but here no gap, actually no gap is detected here. If you just go with a small or something, let's do one more thing, is that I'm going to make another shape. First we're going to convert that into this live paint, and again we are going to click on gap option. So there's a no gap option again. Why is that? Here is going to give me this note. This dialog sets the gap detection option for the selected live paint groups. These options change how the live paint bucket and live paint selection tool apply color. So I'm going to bring this over here, select everything. I don't know why it's going to not detect the gap, but here let's draw something like this. We're going to make it a small gap here, which is live paint, make, then go back to this object menu, live paint, click on gap option. So as you can see, the gap option is showing me for this shape. As you can see, I can go with the small gaps, which is not going to select. I can go with medium gaps, I can go with large gaps, and also here we have this custom gaps. So if you increase that, so as you can see, one gap is found. You can close gaps with paths if you want to. You can close that, click on yes. So as you can see, with paths here is going to close that. But let's do one more thing here, that I'm going to make this something like this. Now I just need to go to this live paint and click on gap options. So here I'm going to increase the value for the gaps. As you can see, no gaps is detected. So I just wanted to show you that here a small gaps is possible to detect with this live paint, but if you go with a large one, so I don't think so that it will give you any good results. So as you can see, we have this gap. So now I'm going to just click OK. You can reset that, and also you can change the preview color for your gap from here. You can go with the green, you can go with cyan, magenta, medium blue, black, light gray, yellow, cyan, and you can go with any color you want. You can go even with the custom color. So I'm going to click this right and click OK. So now if I go to this toolbar and grab my live paint packet, so as you can see, this gap is now it's going to fail. So I can fill it with a color.
So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use the options, which is live paint with object menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.